All right, it's Mr. B, and I'm going to run us through the motion terminology self-test one time, just to walk you through it so you can see an example. Every time this self-test starts up, it gives a whole new ghost, so yours probably won't be this one. Let's just see if I can pass this test. So here's our ghost. It starts at position 1, it walks over to 7, and then walks back to position 3. What was the starting position of the object? So it started at position 1. Got one right. Hallelujah. Now I need to be able to go to the next question, and I think that my Screencastify is in the way. It won't let me. Perfect. Oh, no, it's here. What was the ending position of the object? Okay, those questions are here. Oh my gosh. The ending position was 3. The displacement for the whole trip. The displacement is how far it is from start to finish. So that would be 2 centimeters positive because it's to the right. The average speed for the second leg of the trip. So let's get our camera out. So for the second leg of the trip, I went from 7 to 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me get the camera here. And woo, all right. So we went from 7, forgot, 7 to 3. We went from 7 to 3, and that took, the second leg was 4 seconds. So basically we went 1, 2, 3, 4 units in 4 seconds. So since speed doesn't have a direction, we can just put 1 meter per second. Let's see if that's a choice. It is. Great. The average speed for the whole trip will be our whole distance for the whole trip. So for the whole trip, I went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And so getting the camera. So I traveled 10 units, and that took 6 seconds. So 10 divided by 6 is 5 divided by 3, which is 1 2/3 or 1.7. And its speed, so again, we don't have a unit. That's what's closest to 1. The distance traveled for the whole trip will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The average velocity, now the average velocity for the entire trip is the change in its displacement divided by the whole time. So its displacement is only 2 units, right? From 1 to 3 is 1, 2. So it'd be 2 divided by 6, which is 1/3. And it's positive because it's over on the right. The average speed for the first leg is its distance from 1 to 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that took 2 seconds. So it went 4 units in 2 seconds. 4 divided by 2 is 2. If I get it wrong, the first leg is from 0 to 1. Good thing it didn't give me a red herring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It traveled 6 in 2 seconds, which is 3. And its speed, so there's no negative. The turning position of the object, it turned at position 7. The average velocity for the first leg of the trip, now that's the velocity, so there's a sign. 1, so it goes 6 units in 2 seconds. It's going positive, so that's positive 3. And I completely completed it. So now what I need to do is take a screenshot with my name on it and upload that into Canvas for my credit for doing it. That took 4 minutes. But then again,